Basics of Mechanical Engineering 3 Week-0 answers in NPTEL course. Let us see the question number 1. What is a fluid? Option A solid that does not move. Option B, a substance that can flow and take the shape of its container. Option C, a hard metal. Option D, a gas that cannot move. The correct answer is option B, a substance that can flow and take the shape of its container. Let us see the explanation. A fluid is a substance that continuously deforms under applied shear stress or external force. This includes both liquids and gases. They lack a definite shape and can easily change shape to it fit their container. So the correct answer is option B. Fluid is a substance that can flow and take the shape of its container. Question number 2. What do we call the force that pushes on a fluid? Option A, temperature. Option B, pressure. Option C, speed. Option D, weight. The correct answer is option B, pressure. Let us see the explanation. Pressure is the force exerted by a fluid per unit area, and it acts in all directions within the fluid, including pushing against the surfaces it is in contact with. So the correct answer is option B, pressure. Question number 3. Water boils at what temperature? Option A, 50 degrees. Option B, 100 degrees. Option C, 200 degrees. Option D, 0 degrees. The correct answer is option B, 100 degrees. Let us see the explanation. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, under normal atmospheric pressure, which is typically at sea level. However, the boiling point of water can be affected by pressure. At higher altitudes, where atmospheric pressure is lower, water boils at a lower temperature. So the correct answer is option B, 100 degrees centigrade. Question number 4. What tool do we use to measure temperature? Option A, thermometer. Option B, ruler. Option C, scale. Option D, stopwatch. The correct answer is option A, thermometer. Let us see the explanation. A thermometer is the tool used to measure temperature. It works on the principle of thermal expansion, where a substance expands or contracts with changes in temperature. Common types include mercury thermometers, digital thermometers, and infrared thermometers. So the correct answer is option A, thermometer. Question number 5. What happens when you heat water? Option A, it becomes colder. Option B, it turns into ice. Option C, it turns into steam. Option D, it stays the same. The correct answer is option C, it turns into steam or gas. Let us see the explanation. When water is heated, its temperature increases and it can undergo phase changes. Initially, the water will warm up as a liquid. As it reaches its boiling point, 100 degrees or 212 Fahrenheit at standard pressure, it will start to boil and the liquid water will transition into water vapor. that means steam. This process is called evaporation or vaporization. So the correct answer is option C. When you heat water, it turns into steam or gas. Question number 6. What is the name of the property that makes honey flow slowly? Option A, weight. Option B, viscosity. Option C, color. Option D, size. The correct answer is option B, viscosity. Let us see the explanation. The property that makes honey flow slowly is viscosity. Viscosity is a measure of a fluid's resistance to flow. Honey has a high viscosity, meaning it resists flow more than a fluid like water, which has a low viscosity and flows more easily. So the correct answer is option B, viscosity. Question number 7. Which of these is a liquid? Option A, ice. Option B, water. Option C, rock. Option D, air. The correct answer is option B, water. Let us see the explanation. A substance in the liquid state has no definite shape, but has a definite volume, meaning it can flow to fill a container and takes on its shape. Many substances are liquids at room temperature, including water, oil, and various solutions like milk and juice. So the correct answer is option B, water. Question number 8. What does pressure in a fluid majorly depends on? Option A, how heavy the fluid is. Option B, how cold the fluid is. Option C, the color of the fluid. Option D, the shape of the container. The correct answer is option A, how heavy the fluid is. Let us see the explanation. Fluid pressure depends primarily on depth, density, and gravitational acceleration. Pressure increases with depth, density, and gravitational acceleration. The shape or area of the container holding the fluid does not affect the pressure at a given depth. So the correct answer is option A, how heavy the fluid is. Question number 9. When water changes from liquid to gas, it is called option A, freezing. Option B, melting. Option C, evaporation. Option D, condensation. The correct answer is option C, evaporation. Let us see the explanation. When water changes from a liquid to a gas, it is called evaporation. This process can also be referred to as vaporization. If the change happens with the formation of vapor bubbles within the liquid, it's specifically called boiling. So the correct answer is option C, evaporation. Question number 10. Heat always moves from option A, cold to hot. Option B, hot to cold. Option C, liquid to solid. Option D, gas to liquid. The correct answer is option B, hot to cold. Let us see the explanation. Heat always moves from a region of higher temperature to a region of lower temperature. This is a fundamental principle of thermodynamics and is also known as the direction of heat flow. Heat transfer continues until both regions reach thermal equilibrium, meaning they have the same temperature. So the correct answer is option B, hot to cold. In the next video lecture, we will going to discuss week 1 answers for basics of mechanical engineering 3 in NPTEL course. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.